abamanyi Lydia Jasmine mumanyi nti muntu si muntu wa ntalo. Mumanyi nti ebiseera ebisinga ebintu bibaddewo bingi ebize bibaawo bye boogedde bye bakoze everything, and I think you guys know how I react to some situations, to those situations. Amaze? How? Buli omu aba ne strategy gy'akozesa, buli omu aba ne weapon gy'akozesa. Eno industry si nnyangu, so we all choose how we handle situations. We all choose paths that we want to, to follow for us to make it in this industry that's not easy at all. Abamanyi Jasmine mumanyi nti ndi muntu musirise, especially mu bintu ng'ebyo bwe bibaawo. I don't give my opinion. I never come out to fight. I never come out to reply to blogs. I never come out to say anything until I feel like it is I really need to do. I can't do without talking about it. Most things I can do with that. So ndi wano kubebaza, ndi wano for two to three reasons. I hope Mayanja you're on. Rogers, I hope you're on. Because we are going to do something with that's Mayanja Rogers is the leader of Lydia Jasmine Addicts. Yeah, he's the group leader, and he's what should I say? He's like their leader. He's the one who organizes everything. He takes care of the group. And I hope manager Ronnie Mokoli. Manager Ronnie Mulindo batoli ko bakuyite. Bera ko naawe kubanga tulina bye tulina okukola. Like I said, I'm here to talk about three things. The first thing, I really want to appreciate you guys so much. I didn't know I was loved so much like this. Yesterday I was feeling so down. Yeah, I will admit that I wasn't feeling really good because nga abantu be mumanyi nze it's charity is like a part of me. I always do charity. Abamanyi bachimanyi n'abamfollowing abachimanyi, and I never do things because I want other people to acknowledge me or to praise me or whatever it is. I do things because I want. I do things because I know God will pay me. I always do things for a divine blessing. I call it a divine blessing. Twali kintu kyokola mu bulungi ekigenda unnoticed God. Not because of human, no. Abantu tetusiima, abantu tuli bantu fenna. It's just abantu nga abalya mmere tuneeta balya mmere. I can never do something for somebody to recognize me or to. I do it because I feel I want to, and I do it for a good cause, and I do it because I know God will reward me. So abadde ba expecting nze okuvaayo okwogera on the situation eyabaddewo. I don't judge people. I let it all to God. Mbirekera Katonda. So nze bibaddewo bingi mubimanyi bayogedde bintu bingi, from relationships to my music to management stuff to everything. I don't think you guys have ever seen me come out to say anything. So that's my strategy. Asirise teyejjusa. Nze mamange bwe yali ankuza yaŋŋamba asirise teyejjusa ebintu bisatu byengoberera mu bulamu bwange. Bintu ebyo era ebinnyambye okutuuka wano. Asirise teyejjusa bugubugu si muliro akwate empola atuuka wala. Mamange mukyala Muganda nakanwaji. So I was raised by a Muganda woman who is really humble. My mom is the, I think I can't even explain everything nemukitegera. Muganda wange wali wano Paulo jangu. Tuwakulanga mama tugamba. So that's what I follow. So I'm getting so many messages in my DMs, my people asking me to, bambi mumanyi nze simsobola ntalo sirwana byange byonna mbikwasa Katonda. That's how I've managed to be where I am now. If I was gonna fight people, I would sengandi buwala bubi nnyo. And I believe omuliro teguzikiza muliro. So you guys, I'm here for that first reason, to let you know that I am okay. As you can see, I'm fine. Thank you so much for your support, for the solidarity. I've seen you guys. I'm here to say thank you. You guys have shown me so much love, so much concern.
Happy birthday.
In the next post, in my next post, I'm going to posting another post after this. Mulabe chenjogerako. I didn't expect it. I didn't know that thing would go viral. Like, abantu bandifending zenyo babade so concerned. I was down at some point when I saw all the love on social media. I said, you know what? I got an army that's stronger than the enemy, so I'm good. You guys, I'm good. Thank you so much. I'm a very strong girl, by the way. I'm a very, very strong girl. Muyinza okulaba ne mutu judging the way you see us on social media, but sometimes we have stories. Buli omu aba ne story, buli omu gyatamanyi kati. Nze, I was raised in a very humble background. I was raised in a very hard situation. I didn't grow up with my parents. I went through a lot. Nagumai, like, I'm not as vulnerable as I might look on social media. So thank you so much, you guys. I love you. Nze mbadde nina okujobebaza kuba munwanira entalo nyingi bingi nnyo bye munwanira. Nze, I never come out to say anything, but you guys always stand by my side. Everything. And thank you for supporting the music. Thank you so much. Naira, your fans are there. Naira jabba imbiramu after. So the first reason I'm here clearly was to say that thank you. In the next post, like I said, ngenda jisharinga. DM yange is full. Instagram is full. Twitter is full. My Facebook. Abantu, my WhatsApp. I have so many screenshots. You people have really showed so much love. I wanted to say thank you very much. I see you. I don't take it for granted, Mbala, and I appreciate it very much. So the first thing was that, literally, and to tell you that I'm okay, I'm fine. Banji bali mukumbuza, oh baby, I'm very fine. Munda bandi bulungi nnyo. Ndi bulungi. The second thing, the main two reasons, the third one will just be a clarification, but these are the main two reasons. The second reason, I few days ago, like 2 days ago, natekawo post ningamba nti ngenda kuwa bafani bange randomly, ngenda kubadiza bafani atano. I'm going to choose randomly 50 fans from my page, benda ababaddewo aban supporting ze, because I know most of you guys. I see the same names. At least I know most of you. Then nabalala benaban choosing the randomly. I do not have much. I don't have much, but I said you are the support system. You are the people that make us who we are. You're the people who support the music, the people who listen to the music, who come to the shows, who buy the music, who stand by us when we can't, who fight the wars, who do everything. Literally, a fan is everything to an artist, and I appreciate you guys. So mukatono keninako nagamba, the first thing I actually thought about was you guys. If you are keen follower, sometimes you don't just comment or commenting so say no. Follow somebody, scroll down and see what is this person up to. If you are a new follower, let's say. So following the fans are the first people I thought about. Trust me. I did that post ningamba ngena kwata kasente ako pereze fani bange mitwalo ebiri. Could be anything. Nebo bango zilida lunaku, as long as I've given you something, a lunch or dinner or data, whatever you want. Ngankudizango mainti Jasmine yanzirizako. Because I can't give honestly tewali muimbi asobola kuwa buli fani. You guys, like, nobody can handle okuwa buli muntu, and all of us are in a bad situation right now. Fena tuli mu situation embi nayo tula bulungi. Naye nze nagamba randomly ngenda choosing abantu atano this week, then next week for 2 weeks. So today unfortunately luli tetwakikola because waliwo ekyaliwo with the I'm not the person to supposed to do the transaction. Nina omwami gwe mbagambye Mayanja Rogers abeera kata bambi tabeera Uganda kati yafunamu obuzibu, you know, with the internet and everything. I couldn't connect to him and the whole process neyononeka. So kati today I'm with him. That's why Kwali, I saw you Rogers, you own. Rogers is the person that's going to do that. He's going to, we already chose the 50 people. Rogers, kindly please then share the numbers so they can see the numbers. And then you also share the last 2 digits of your number. I think it's 26 or something, or yeah, Roger. So when you see a money from that number, same either 23 or 26 again akuja yogere namwe. Please Roger, come and say some type balaba wansi bagenda bakula tugenda kuchikola after I'm off. So I just came to tell you that we are doing the process right now. Rogers agenda tandika kati cause namugambye bwalaba nga ngenze live atandiko chikola. So my 50 lucky fans, we are sending 20,000 to each one of you today. Then next week tujja kukola yo the same thing, the same thing to the lucky ones because I want 100 fans. I think that's fair enough. Sisobola basobola banaye muli bangi. Naye ne bwe mba nyambye omu bababiri nze kimmala nga nze I'm satisfied. Akatono kagira ne munno bagamba. So I was here. I was meant to do that the other time, so we didn't because of Gambia. So now today we are doing that. Yeah, addicts kwe muli bananga. I hope you've got me. Muchitegedde mbala byabamunga mu complaining when we posted yesterday about the donation. Banange ba DJ smile ba MC. No, me I actually thought about you people first. If you see that post, it is days ago. It is like 3 days ago. Naira kaligende wa dad genda kwe motoka ate tuyagala genda kati no sidika food. So Rogers is going to do that now. He's going to start sending the money. Lero kwali good enough. Network enungi abera kata bambi tabera Uganda naye ali active yenanyini ye leader wa ba addicts mwena bambi mwebale mbala musiza mwebale kunwanira mwebale kun supporting everybody. Mayanja, I've seen you. Yeah, so he says the number ends with 26 23. Bwafuna sente nga zisembyayo. Yeah, it is 26 and 23. Then that's from me, but that's not my number. So that's the person, that's the leader of my addicts group. So he's going to do that. That's why Rudina failing. It's not me that's my number, you know, for private reasons. Mayanja is going to do that. It was supposed to be Mr. Ronnie Mulindwa, my manager, but he's also a busy person. So we got the leader of Lydia Jasmine Addicts. So banango mwami huyo bamuyita Rogers sharing a number. Rogers never clever numbers, sharing the numbers so that people can know, they can see. I'm not proving anything, by the way. I'm not here to prove anything. That was an idea I got for my fans, to show my fans some love. Whoever can interpret that in the other way around, I'm doing it from the bottom of my heart to my fans. So it is happening in a few. You can't help everybody. You can't. I can't. Naye probably next week another one will get. Then wakatono kemba nina. I've been trying because you guys have been there honestly in every situation. You've been there through everything, through thick and thin. Nechirala chenabadde njagala okwogera for that reason ey'okugaba ba DJs bambi nga bwe mumanyi nabo balinga ffe abayimbi saawa zino tebakola kubanga ffe bwe tukola nabo bakola be bakuba music gye tuyimbira mu bidongo and everything in the clubs those DJs babadde bangi in my inbox bangi nga baŋŋamba they have families, they have kids. I know everybody out there now muina family, so I only felt concerned to do that. And then by MCs, I think no artist had given them before. So nensalawo nange nabo mbateekeko. So after my fans, that was the plan. The other plan was the DJs and MCs. Reason I didn't give to the Baita Bachaku ministry, I'm seeing so many people taking there a lot of stuff, so many things. Babitwala bulijjo, companies are giving in money, cash, abala batwala emmere nyingi, everything, you know. And I'm not seeing that food moving to people. So honestly, I'm sorry if that's my opinion. I don't know. Maybe sibira babulungi. Naye nze ndaba nti emmere, I don't know. I felt like okutwala mu ba DJ association neba MC association bo at least direct naba wadde direct kubanga Nimrod yabakulira direct noli cash, is it cash maya something waba MCs manyi nti bagenda bifuna direct abatwala ministry tweyanza mwebale era mu continuing okikola then tusane ministry bambi emere tuke ku abantu ansi kuba emere jeri tujiraba mu store jeri nyingi etuke ku muntu. If there was a way we could go out, I would actually have done that long time ago. Ngatus kugenda direct ku bantu batugana ne bagambe yo mother. And I respect the law. I am a respectful citizen, and I also don't want us to die of corona. To know okwe protecting her. The number one thing for us to be safe is to stay home, to avoid direct contact, you know. You can't go out there. Trust me, if we were sengando zanze nasoka nze nina abantu bange benkola nabo charity even out of camera bemutamanyi. We usually go to Katanga, we go to Bwaise, those ghettos, we go to Enwaba Levikson yewa Paulo Kosovo, Levikson Abimanyi, so many those slum areas. I believe that's where people are suffering even more. Naye, if there was a way we could, there is no way, unfortunately. That's why in Saba government, Saba ministry, bambi bachiteke mu obwangu batukirira abantu abo senga naye basoko okutukirira kubanga trust me abantu abasinga muno mukambi abali abantu abamu basobola okuyira ne waliwo abantu nga ye yali aninga kutuzi twatunda ng'atambula ku luguudo nga aninga kukanyebwa katuula n'atigira ku luguudo kyatasobola kukola kati abantu ng'abo nga balina family bamama baffe abatuzaala abakadde poor people on the street abatanaye basula banange abantu abo balowoozeeko. I believe that would be the best thing. So mu bufunze kyekyo, that is it. So abantu bange abali lucky, just one. Most of you are even here, you even have data. So nze ninga aba nkwongerezaako just koina ka data oyongereko kubanga bannange bamutubezaawo. So mbebaza mwebale kunjagala. Thank you so much. I feel the love, I feel the solidarity, I feel everything. Thank you so much. Mumanyi bulungi nnyo nti nze siri muntu wantalo ndi musirise bane mwebale kunwanirira mbagala nnyo. Ekyokusatu mbadde sina kyogerako but I'll just say something about it. Something that bothered me, and I'm here to give a fact about it. Ekintu kya camera. First of all, I'll say, abantu abagiving ebiseera ebisinga ne ba involving a camera. You people sometimes don't blame those people. Abantu abakola ekintu ekyo, most times nange bwe nkikola oluusi I include cameras. It is because we are public figures. Sometimes when you do something like that, omuntu oyo omu abatakikusubiramu aba alina okulaba nti there's that other side of you, and then you have inspired another person to do that. When you do that, when we give, nadala fa abantu abali abayimbi, could be actresses, singers, musicians, dancers, whoever, name it. Abantu abatekako kamera siba nenyanzi. Sometimes abamu, well, you can never know who is genuine and who is not. Abamu bachikola to inspire others, whereas abamu bachikola kweraga. to get, you know, it is true when what people say sometimes is true. Abamu bakikola to get credit from people, and at the end of the day, you have to give from the bottom of your heart. Katonda nze mmanyi asasula. Okulaba nti okikoze nze, trust me, sometimes, every time when chikola sina, sometimes whenever I do that, it is because I want people out there to do the same, and I have so many other people who do that. Bemanyi naye ne bali tebabulayo gye bali, okitegeera. Kati nze ekintu kya jjo bannange bafani abadde bagamba, oh, why did she call the camera, she deserves it, simanyi biki. Let me clarify this. Mama Naira jangu eno tubateraga bubi jangu, don't worry. So yesterday we went somewhere, we won't say where, we went to buy the things. Nabadde ne Mama Naira, mama wa Maimulamu, mama wa baby ono. So agenze babiri, yeah, my bouncer and my driver and Mama Naira okugula emmere eyo somewhere. Enkuba netukuba, enkuba yabadde etonyajje, enkuba yatugwereddeko. Where we got the food from, nga walina, you know, nga wa flooding, so we actually had a very bad day yesterday throughout the whole process. We almost failed to make it on time. But thank God we did. So now then Mama Nairo no twaguze emmere eyo. And I understand when you're going to donate, first of all you have to get permission. We got the permission. Second of all, I'm told that the DJ association is led by DJ Nimrod. And so we had to tell DJ Nimrod we are bringing the stuff. But I actually didn't call Nimrod. Nimrod, I have a friend called Balambob. Balambob works as part of my PR. So Balambob was behind the whole organizing thing. I didn't even know where we are taking the food, who we are giving, who is going to take. Media abimani. So he calls DJ Nimrod, who was somewhere with other people working, to come and receive our donations. Kati DJ Nimrod bambi yabadde letuko kubanga yabadde alina Java. So he comes. So the place they suggested for us was Galaxy. Kubanga he had a show there and he was running late. He had a show with Dr. Jose Chameleon was on Galaxy yesterday. So twamusanze ku Galaxy. That's where we had to hand over the things from. Nze Lydia Jasmine sakubiddeko ku muntu yenna wa TV chi sija mentioninga TV. Why do TVs nga satu actually, by the way, same over bidi. I did not call any TV station to come and see me donate or to come and take pictures or anything. Mama Naira kyenva njagala muyita judge confirming ekyo oba ne DJ Nimrod waba kwali oba everybody who was there. But Balambob is part of my PR. When we reached there, Balambob yagambi, you know what, Lydia? You can't do this process. Nebatakuba chifananyi. Watch together. So reaching there, twasanzewo n'abana mawulire abamu. I don't know. There was Chameleon. He had a show, something on Galaxy. So wabaddewo definitely abantu abo aba camera and all that stuff. Nebaja nebakwata the whole process. But I don't owe anybody any explanation. Naye njagala bafani banga ababadde bali offended by that. I did not call any camera guys, any TV guys, batusanzeewo babaddewo abamu. Then PR wangoyo ye yakoze ekintu kyekifaananyi ekyo, because he said the DJs have to see you have donated to them and the MCs, because how will they know? Which is okay. So me sharing the photos that I'm doing, and sharing that blogger, that camera person who was there, not even my phone. I'm not trying to defend that. So everybody who wants camera is free. Nangera next time nyizo ita camera sichi binja kubanja gadi, then you know it's out of wobo ya gadi nenza chino because I'm trying to show how I did that from the bottom of my heart. Then ekirala ekintu kyembadde njagala ogamba, kwebaza ba DJ neba MCs abavuddeyo messages nzifunye, DMs nzifunye. Thank you for appreciating. 200 kilograms of rice, not posho. Rice, very good rice by the way. The first quality, the very good ones.